Hi, hello.
Hello,
Can
how
you
are
hear me?
you? Yes, I
Can you hear
can.
me?
Can't you?
Okay.
Yes, hello.
Yes, I can hear you. Tell me, what's your name and where are you from?
Yes, is Washim and I am from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Oh, interesting. Okay, very good. I've never met anybody from Bangladesh. Wow.
Wow, so I'm
Okay,
lucky.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
I'm
you.
lucky. My name is Joanna. I am from Anaheim, California, and I currently live in Mexico.
You are from California and currently in Mexico. Wow,
Yes,
nice.
exactly. So
Okay,
tell
then
me, how is Bangladesh from?
how is Bangladesh?
How is
Bangladesh,
Bangladesh?
Bangladesh is a South Asian country. It is
Yes, I do know.
It is not as large as yours. It is only 1,47,000 square kilometers, and it
Okay.
is situated in in Asia, in South Asia. You can.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Do
I
you know?
recently saw, yes,
Do you know about Indian subcontinent?
I've heard about India completely. I actually have a student here on Cambly who is from India. I don't know how to pronounce his city, but it's not New Delhi. And last week we were talking about the movie. It's a new movie. I don't remember what the name of the movie is called. Um, Let me check. It's a new movie on Netflix about Bangladesh.
Oh yeah, maybe. Then
It's called
India,
Extract.
Bangladesh, and Pakistan. Listen, India,
Mm-hmm.
Bangladesh, and Pakistan.
Yes.
These
Mm-hmm.
three countries were united once, and it was named as India. And in 1947, these three countries, that means Bangladesh and Pakistan were separated from
Really?
India. And the Indian subcontinent was ruled by the British government. And after
Really?
the second, yes, after the Second World War, the
Mm-hmm.
British government,
Mm-hmm.
maybe for any reason, the British government gave power to the people of India to rule
Mm-hmm.
themselves. Okay, and the
Okay.
whole India was divided in three countries. Bangladesh,
Mm-hmm.
sorry, not three countries, then in two countries, India and Pakistan. Okay, and Pakistan was divided in two parts, East Pakistan and West Pakistan. And today's Bangladesh is the part of East Pakistan. Now it is Bangladesh.
Ah, but Bangladesh is a country, right?
Yes, Bangladesh is a country. We fought we fought for liberation in 1971 against the Pakistani rulers, uh,
Okay.
dictators. They were mostly dictators, and they were trying to force us to do things inappropriately. And
Mm-hmm.
so the Bengali nation, the Bengali
Mm-hmm.
people revolted against the then government, and in the great leadership of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, the people of Bangladesh joined liberation war, and after 9 months battle, we got our
Mm-hmm.
freedom from the
Oh,
Pakistani rules.
wow. Okay, I didn't know all that.
Uh,
How
so
far
so it's
away is But why so? If Pakistan is all the way on this side, why is Bangladesh all the way on the other side? And how do you call it
Yes.
East Pakistan?
Actually, I told you first that it was once united as in the name
Yes.
of India, Indian subcontinent. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
the Indian subcontinent was divided into two countries, India and Pakistan. Here,
Mm-hmm.
Pakistan was divided. Pakistan in Pakistan's part, Pakistan got East Pakistan and West Pakistan, and in the middle there
Yes.
is India. Okay, in the
Yes,
middle
exactly.
there is India.
Mm-hmm.
In one part there is West Pakistan and in other part East Pakistan, but in the middle there was India, and it was
Mm-hmm.
really impossible to to remain united because we were far away from each other, east and west.
Oh, yes, of course. That's what I didn't understand when you were explaining at the beginning because, well, Pakistan is all the way over here, and then India, and then Bangladesh all the way over here. So that's why you're telling me
Yes.
that you could, it's illogical. Oh,
Okay,
wow.
okay, okay. And I'm going to ask you something about your California. I know you are from
Okay.
California and now living in Mexico. Okay, I know
Yes.
that California is a bordering state of Mexico, of United States, and
Yes.
it is bordered with Mexico, right? And there is
Yes, it
Baja
is.
California in Mexico,
Mm,
Baja California in Mexico, right?
yes. Baja California. Yes.
Uh, California. Okay,
Yes.
then was California once the part of Mexico?
No, actually, that's the interesting part. California actually was not part of Mexico.
Oh, I thought that California and Baja California both are uh, side by side, and
Mhm.
California was the part of Mexico. I thought.
It was, but decades ago in the 1880s. That's why I'm telling you it was, but very, 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 very long time ago, and it was only um, for like 2 years, I think. It was for a while, and then all the way from the 1800s, it's been the United States. So it's been more than 200, almost 300 years that California is the United States. Hmm.
Oh, that's great. Okay, then
Yes, but
please about you.
actually, for
Actually,
example, yes, Texas was of Mexico. And then a couple of years
Texas was.
later, yes, Texas was Mexico's. Texas,
Oh,
California, Arizona, and New Mexico, all of those were Mexican territories. But the United States took
oh,
away this territory because Mexico had a lot of debt with the United States, and that's how they ended up trying to pay the United States their debt by selling all that territory.
oh. So United States gained those territories from Mexico uh, in exchange of dollar.
Mm, yes,
We can
yes.
say that.
So
Uh,
in
and another,
Mexico, excuse me, can you hear me?
uh, yes, yes, I can.
Please,
Cannot
please
you?
continue. I kind of
Hello?
confused our. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes. Hello?
Please continue. Yes,
Hello? Can you?
yes,
Can you
yes,
hear me?
yes.
Okay, okay. Then another state of America, that was gained from Russia. Hello,
Yes.
uh, wha- Texas, maybe Texas. Or hello, hello,
Can you hear me?
hello, hello.
I I can hear you.
Hello.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Can you?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I hear you.
Me
Hello.
too. I can hear
You
you.
cannot hear me. Oh,
Yes,
very
I
good.
can.
Okay, very good. Then, what is your profession, please?
I am a nurse, but currently I am not working as a nurse. I am working as an English teacher, full time actually. I work for in the mornings part time as a preschool English teacher. In the afternoons, I work for a private school, English, here in Mexico. And during my free time, I work here on Cambly and another school. It's a Chinese school. Mhm.
Oh, Chinese school, very good. And that is also online.
Yes, yes.
You, you teach Chinese students online.
I teach English to
Very good.
Chinese students. Yes. What about you? What is your profession?
I am also a teacher.
Really?
I am a part-time teacher. Yes, I am a part-time teacher in Bangladesh.
Mm-hmm.
I also try to freelance.
Okay.
I am
Mm-hmm.
trying to get freelancing job from Fiverr. You know Fiverr, and I can edit videos. I'm a
Ah.
video editor, and a translator also from English to Bengali and Bengali to English.
Oh, really?
And I have been I have been trying on Fiverr, freelancer.com for outsourcing job, and my offer is video editing
Mm-hmm.
and translation from English to Bengali or Bengali to English.
Oh, really? Wow.
And as we are from Bangladesh, uh, comparatively, we
Mhm.
we call for low price for our work, for our excellent work.
How old are you?
I'm 30 years old. How old are you?
30. You're 30.
Yes, I'm 30. You?
Okay. I am 25.
25. Oh, very good. Uh, you are in your golden age.
I don't think so, but okay.
18, 20, 25, 30.
Yes.
Golden period of life.
Yes.
Golden youth.
Well, I don't think that golden, but yes.
You don't think?
No.
Okay, then I'm your first student from Bangladesh,
Yes.
and for this I'm really feel good to be your first student from Bangladesh, and I will give you a 5-star mark with good feedback, and I will keep you as my loved teacher, best teacher.
Thank you.
Okay.
Well, our time is almost up. It was excellent to meet you. And believe me, for reals, this is real. You are the first student I ever meet. Well, you're the first person I ever meet from Bangladesh, and it was very interesting for you to give me your history.
Oh,
I've heard about India. I have had two students from Pakistan, but it was a very quick conversation. I've had students from Saudi Arabia, from all the Middle East, but I've never had from Bangladesh. So yes, it was very amazing to meet you, and thank you so much for the 5-star rating. Thank you so much.
yes, thanks, and thank you. You are most welcome in Bangladesh,
Thank you.
and I hope you will visit my country, my beautiful country, and think you will get many new and interesting things in my country. Okay.
Thank you. I hope we get to see each other again here on Cambly.
Okay.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Bye bye.
Goodbye. Take
Bye.